Hello everyone, happy 2021, happy new year. Finally we could kiss 2020 goodbye. Also, if it wasn't already obvious, I'm going for a new look for 2021. Anyways, as you can tell from the title, today we have another mystery bundle. So this mystery bundle is going to be just a little bit different. I am trying out a bundle that is not from Depop. This is from a website, and this is just like a new and upcoming brand, like website that was started by these two lovely ladies, and they just sell style bundles. So if you just want to watch me unbox this bundle, then just check out the timestamps down in the description. I will have everything all separated and organized. So for the first part of this video, I wanted to show you guys the process of getting a bundle and navigating through the website. So the website is shopbundlebrat.com, and after you purchase your bundle, there's this form they have on the website that you need to fill out. And this is where you put in the aesthetic that you want. So they have a list of aesthetics to choose from, and I really like their selection. I feel like they have a pretty good range. And each aesthetic, there's a little description that goes along with it. And I decided to go for the indie/artsy style bundle. It actually turned out to be a more retro artsy style bundle, which you guys will see in the video. So you guys can just kind of see like the kind of questions that you get asked. I personally really like having questionnaires like this for my style bundles. I feel like to me it just feels more professional, feels more legit, and I feel comfortable knowing that they're going to try to go for things that I like. Okay, and I thought this was really cool. So look at that. They include like a size chart to help you with your measurements. Yeah, and I just also know that it takes a lot of hard work to create a website like this and create like the Google documents where you can fill it out, and I felt I needed to show that. So they did update their pricing, but my bundle costed about $65, and it's supposed to include 2 outfits. So shipping was pretty reasonable, nothing took very long, and they were really good at communicating. Okay, so I am ready to open this bad boy up. So here we go. So here is the bundle in very cute pink packaging we love. So here's what we got. I see some very bold yellow. I see a bag. Very intrigued. It is a Guess white handbag. I'm not a bag person, but actually this looks pretty dang cute, like I'm not gonna lie. And also it's Guess. It's actually pretty nice quality. So on the inside it has this like big headband, so that's pretty cool. It has a little barcode at the front, so I can scan it. So it says scan your QR code for your personal brat magazine. I guess I'll just start with like what's on the top. Oh, there's so much goodies in here. I see like a face mask, stickers, candy, little accessories. I love that. And it's all pre-packaged. Ooh, so we got a little like scarf, like a silk scarf in these really bright colors, very psychedelic, very groovy. And I got little face masks. Ooh, got some lip gloss. These interesting earrings is like little like pacifier earrings. And a little strawberry necklace, super cute. And then I have this little necklace. I think it says brat on it. I really love that. Then I've got some candy and a little scrunchie. Okay, so there's like a bunch of stickers. Spoiled brat. I really love the whole branding. It's like brat. I think that's really cool. It's really nice to like brand yourself, and I love that. It feels like legit, you know? So I also got these cute little hair pins, hair clips, which is perfect. I am getting back into like little hair clips with my short hair. I always enjoy that. Actually, you know what? I might use one of these right now. There, now I got a little clip in my hair. So cute. They included a little hand mirror with the Bundle Brat logo on it, and it's purple, which bless, love purple, my favorite colors. Yeah, so love the purple theme. Thank you for using my favorite color. And here's a little close-up of all the stuff they included. Okay, so first off, we've got a very bright, very bold plaid blazer. Hello, like Clueless vibes, super cool. Look at this velvet trim, vintage style buttons, and it's lined on the inside. There's no brand on this. I'm just like wondering where this is from. This is a really cool piece. So next we've got a little velvet kind of, I'm assuming this is going to be a midi skirt, but it's an American Apparel skirt, which I appreciate a good American Apparel piece. We're going to try it out. We're going to see. We're trying new things. 2021, new year, new me. Okay, so the top included with that outfit is this black lacy little top. I feel like this would have been fitting for New Year's if I had opened this earlier. I waited so long to open this. So here's the fit we have for fit number 1. We've got the lacy top, we've got the black midi skirt. I feel like it'll look like one long dress. And then we have the blazer. So that's how the fit is supposed to look. So that was outfit 1, and they said this look gives us very preppy vintage feels, and we had to give you this black headband to match the black tones in the outfit as your accessory. Yes, if I put that little headband with that outfit, yo, I'd look so cute, very preppy. It's a new style I've never tried before. Yeah, I'm ready to try it. Okay guys, how do we feel? Okay, I look cute. It's just so different. You guys like my new chair, by the way? We literally picked this up from our neighbor. They were giving it away for free, but it's a perfect little filming chair. Yeah, this is gonna be a chaotic filming style video. Anyways, okay, here's the full look. Bam, here we go. Full Clueless look. Styled by Bundle Brat, and I love the velvet trim and the velvet here, like we got the matchy. So here's the hair situation. I'm trying out the headband. I know, don't laugh at me, I like don't wear headbands very often, but you know, I wanted to fully commit to the look. Just so out of my comfort zone, but like, I don't know, the more I look at myself, the more I'm like, yeah, oh baby, let's go. Anyways, okay, I'm just gonna move on. Okay, the next clothing pieces are gonna be outfit number 2. So for the first piece, we've got this adorable little turtleneck, like soft wintry turtleneck, but it is a Ralph Lauren turtleneck, really cool. Every spring, like pastels are really in, and I've just been into like bold colors also, so this is just gonna be a great piece for my wardrobe and for the upcoming spring season. Alright guys, so this next piece I think is to die for. I think my favorite piece. Floral dress in this like lavender color, super cute, and it is a vintage brand, is Two of Us, but look at that vintage tag. Adorable, like I'm in love. Last clothing piece that they included, another like blazer, like coat kind of thing in this like beautiful like periwinkle purplish color. Like, oh my gosh, this color is a dream. Love the structure of this. It is a vintage piece and I love it. I love a good vintage jacket, and like something like this is just like so unique. So the way they arranged outfit number 2 is they showed the turtleneck and then layered with this little pastel dress, and then with the blazer on top. We'll see how that goes. That's a very pastel outfit, so let's go put on the outfit. Okay, here she is. Outfit number 2. The way the colors all go together like makes me so happy, and it's like a super cute like vintage 60s look. Like I love this. Just the purpley tones right now are like making me feel so good. Like I'm in my happy place right now, and I feel like I'm like in a colorful imaginary 60s world, and I'm gonna like go drive in my little pastel car, and I'm gonna have like a pastel kitchen. I don't know, I feel super cute right now. So as far as fit, everything fits beautifully. The turtleneck, the dress. So I also put on the little pacifier earrings because it was purple and it matched quite nicely. And again, I just like can't stop looking at myself like, dang, I'm like Queen's Gambit except like pastel, adorable version. I'm like a lovely, bright spring aesthetic flower ready to bloom. Spring 2021, better look out because Adriana's coming. Okay, so to conclude this video, hold on, let me adjust. My dress is really short. Please don't look. I asked for bold, colorful pieces and I got it, so I really appreciate that. Got a lot of my favorite color, which makes me happy. I really enjoyed putting the outfit together the way they did it, and having all that extra stuff I really appreciate, like the little accessories. Think like the whole like website process, like navigating the website, navigating the questionnaire was a really big plus as well, like something I also appreciate. I like the organization, I like the professionalism with that. And I got some really good pieces like the Ralph Lauren, the Guess purse, getting vintage items, like unique items, like also that like was really worth the money, worth the values. And the barcode like scan thing, another awesome touch. Thank you so much Bundle Brat for creating this, you know, letting me be a part of this experience. I will leave all the information down below. You can check out the Bundle Brat website, they have an Instagram, and they do restocks every Friday, so just be on the lookout if you're interested in buying a bundle for yourself. Take care, stay positive, and always be creative. See you next time. Bye!